Nano Banana Pro is free for 1 year, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get it. Now, it's going to come without any watermark and it's going to come in high resolution. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to use this and of course how you can use it to make money for yourself from the comfort of your home. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, yesterday, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and visit invideo.io. And once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and sign in or sign up if you don't have an account with invideo.io. And once you're signed in, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and click on agents and models. Okay, click on agents and models, and you're going to be blessed with this option. There are so many options here that you can pick from, but the star of the day is Nano Banana Pro, which is this one. So you're going to go ahead and click on Nano Banana Pro. And the next thing you're going to click on new projects. Now you can name it whatever you want. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to write tutorial, okay? And then you're going to click on create project. Now, once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you select the Nano Banana Pro, because sometimes it might be in another thing and then you're not going to get the desired results that you're looking for. So here, make sure that you select Nano Banana Pro. It's very important that you do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. So once you make sure that you have selected Nano Banana Pro, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and add your pictures. That's the picture you want to work with. Now, there's a lot of things you can do with this. I'm going to be mentioning it later in the video, so I want you to stick around. But first, I would like to show you the images that I have so that you can understand what we're trying to achieve. So here I have a mobile police armed man, and here I have a laptop bag, and here I have 2 armed policemen, and here I have our model, and here I have a 2025 Rolls Royce. And of course here I have white pair of sneakers, and here I have a private jet. Don't worry, we're going to create a masterpiece with this. Just follow me. I have an amazing place that I'm going with this. And here, the last one is the suit. So now we're going to come back again to invideo.io and we're going to select these images that I just showed you now. So now that I have it selected, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and click on open and then give it some seconds for the images to upload. And while it's uploading, let's go ahead and add a simple prompt here, which is merge the images together. So let's just have an idea of how creative this thing can be, and then we can storm it with our own amazing prompt. So right now, all you have to do, don't select any other thing. I'm going to be showing you the settings much later. We're going to be trying out the second one, but leave everything as it is right now, and then you click on send, which is the unlimited, and it's going to take some seconds to create your amazing masterpiece. All right, and now you can see that it is done generating our image and it created a masterpiece. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you look right here, you can see that it gave us 2 Rolls Royce, right? We don't want the 2, right? We want just 1. So here you can see it's still a good masterpiece. It's still an amazing masterpiece, but let's switch things up to another level. But what I want to mention here is that you can't see that little logo that you usually get if you're generating with Nano Banana. Now, how cool is this? So it comes without any watermark and it comes in high resolution, the highest resolution you can ever think of, the highest resolution that I have ever seen any AI generative tool generate. Now, this is mind-blowing. Now, the next thing we want to do to perfect everything, we're going to use our own prompt instead of this, little prompts here. We're going to use our own prompt. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to our prompt library. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can get to it, right? We're going to come to our prompt library like so, and we're going to copy it. And I'm going to come right here and paste it here. So let me read it out to you. Create a hyper-realistic full body image of the same man shown in the reference image. He should have the exact face, hairstyle, complexion, beard shape, and overall appearance as the man in the black suit in the uploaded image, okay? Now, show him wearing a stylish pink suit, the pink that I showed you, with a white inner t-shirt and a clean white sneakers, the one that I also showed you. He is stepping down confidently from a luxury Rolls Royce parked beside a private jet on an airport tarmac. He carries a bright blue designer bag in one hand. He is heavily guarded by multiple armed bodyguards dressed in black tactical uniforms. Positioned around him for protection, the scene should look cinematic, high-end, and dramatic, with soft golden lightning and a shallow depth of field. Make him the clear main focus of the image, ensuring the final result looks exactly like the man in the reference photo, only in the new outfit and environment. Now, how cool is this? I'm going to make this prompt available for you in the description. Once you get it, you can use it to create your own prompt. So no matter the type of image you're trying to generate, you can use this prompt and tell Google Gemini to generate a similar prompt for the exact thing that you want to use it for, using the guidelines from this particular prompt, and you're going to get something epic. Trust me. So now you can select any size that you want. You want ultra wide, you want widescreen, that is 16:9, the one that you're currently seeing now on your screen. And then you want social media, that is 9:16, the normal 9:16. Now there are different options to choose from, but for the purpose of this tutorial, because we want to accommodate a lot of things, we're going to be selecting widescreen, that is 16:9. And then here, we're going to select 4, okay? If you come here, we're going to select 4. So that is, it's going to generate 4 images for us all at once, okay? And now that we have that, the next thing we want to do is to make sure that this is on Nano Banana Pro. And by the way, all these things that we're doing, all the images that we're generating is completely for free. Now, how cool is this? Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can access it much later, but first, let's go ahead and generate this and let the AI create something epic for us. Now here we can see that it's done generating the images for us. So let's go ahead and check it out and see how it looks. I am already excited. Now, how cool is this? This is incredible. Come on. So this looks 100% realistic, and you can see the quality of the image. Now, how cool is this? So now let's go ahead and check the second one and see how, oh, come on. If you haven't liked this video by now, please go ahead and smash the like button, because it's a very good way for you to tell me that you love the kind of videos that I upload on this channel. And also it's going to tell the algorithm that the video is valuable, and they are going to in turn show it to more people. And if more people get to watch my video, I get to make more videos for you. So it's a win-win. Thank you as you do so. So now you can see how incredible this image looks. The quality. Come on. I'm going to be listing out some of the things that you can achieve with this, how you can make money from this from the comfort of your home. So now let's go ahead and check out the third picture. Come on. Now, how cool is this? This is incredible. I haven't seen anything this good since the creation or the invention of AI. Come on. This is mind-blowing. And let's check out the fourth one, and come on. How cool is this? You can see that he maintained the facial structure, the face and everything, and he followed the complete instruction that I gave the AI. Now, this is incredible. Now, one of the reasons why I love this so much is that it comes without the watermark, and the quality is in the highest resolution. InVideo actually outperformed themselves by adding this Google Nano Banana Pro totally for free on here. Now, if you're trying to use this to make money online, there's different ways you can use this to make money. For me, I use it to create African folktale. That is storytelling faceless YouTube channel. I've been talking about it on this channel for a long time. I'm going to be leaving the playlist in the description just in case you haven't heard about it, or just in case you're struggling with it. I'm going to put it sequentially on how you're going to start and how you're going to succeed running an African folktale channel using this particular method, using this particular tool to generate consistent images. Now, the biggest challenge for anybody that is trying to generate storytelling content is consistent images. We've struggled tirelessly to achieve that, but with this Nano Banana Pro, it's incredible how much consistency we can get with this. Now, imagine that you're trying to create a story and how you can replace images, replace faces, replace a lot of things in the same image, and then you're going to get high quality and consistent images, multiple consistent images. Let me know if you want me to do that tutorial for you on how to use this to create multiple consistent images, and I'm going to do that for you. Another way you can use this to make money for yourself is by starting an AI photo studio. Now, you know, the regular photo studio that we know, the regular photo studio that we have, that people will have to physically walk in. Well, with this AI tool, nobody needs to work in. You can generate high quality images like this for people. Now, imagine if you start generating images for people and you're putting them in luxury places. You know, people love things like that. People love luxury. People love luxury, and especially when they cannot afford it 100%. Now you can create the images for them and you're going to use it to make money for yourself. And also you can use it to create kids animation, that is storybook for kids, and put it up on Amazon KDP. And you can also use it to generate animations for kids musical channels. That is, you're going to be running a Faceless YouTube channel with images you generated using this tool. Now, I've done a lot of tutorials on this in the past, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so I can get to it. Now, another way you can use this to make money is by offering real estate staging. Now, real estate is taking over the world right now. A lot of people are getting into real estate. There's a lot of real estate companies. Now, you can use this tool to generate amazing real estate images that you can sell to real estate companies. They can hire you to generate their images. Remember, like I always say, the people that know how to use these AI tools are the people that will never lose their job. The people that are going to lose their jobs are people that don't know how to use the AI tools. So the AI is going to replace them. But guess the people that won't be replaced? You, because you know how to use this AI tool because you're watching this channel. Now, how cool is this? So if you're looking to have access to Nano Banana Pro for 1 whole year, then you have to have an active subscription on InVideo. Now, it doesn't have to be every month you have an active subscription. If you don't have any need for it, as long as you have a subscription within the next 7 days, you're going to have access to Nano Banana Pro completely for free for 1 whole year. The current subscription that I'm using is generative subscription, which is $100 a month, and it gives you 100 credits, which is more than enough to generate amazing videos. Now, if you have access to this, you're also going to have access to a lot of options here. You're going to have access to Nano Banana Pro, Flux Context. You're going to have access to Seed Dream. You're going to have access to VO 3.1 without any watermark and highest resolution possible. That is why I love using InVideo.io to process all my videos and my images. You're also going to have access to Sora 2 Pro, and VO 3, VO 3 Fast, and so on. Now, it's incredible what you can achieve with this. So I advise you to jump on it. And if you're looking to start a profitable Faceless YouTube channel like kids animation, now this is the video that I recommend that you watch on this channel to learn everything that you need to know on how to generate kids musical videos with 1 single prompt. You don't need to know how to do editing. You don't need to know how to do generating of videos and all of that. All you have to do is to use 1 prompt to generate your video, and here is where you're going to watch it and learn how to do it. So see you on the other side. Ciao.